Hello everyone, Miss Rita here. Today we are going to learn how to the application of quadratic equation. So let's start our practice set number 2.6. The question number 1 is given. The product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. It means 2 years ago means 2 years back and 3 years hence means 3 years in future. So let's present age of Pragati's be x year and 2 years ago her age will be x minus 2. Ago means minus 2 will come. 3 years hence means the age will be x plus 3 years. According to given condition, the condition is given product of their ages. So we'll take both the bracket equal to 84. So we'll solve this bracket first. You know how to solve this bracket. Take x, the whole bracket x plus 3 minus 2, again whole bracket x plus 3 equal to 84. So x into x, x square plus 3 into x, 3x minus 2 into x, 2x minus plus minus 2 into 3 is 6 equal to 84. The like term is plus 3x minus 2x. So plus minus minus 3 minus 2 is our x. Now 84 will go inside become minus 84. So here minus 6 and minus 84 become minus minus plus 84 plus 6 is 90. So it become minus 90. Now we have to split minus 90. And we want plus 1. In the middle we have the 1. So 9 times 90. So we'll give the minus n to the 9 and plus n to the 10. We'll substitute in the place of x. What we'll write? Plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 equal to 0. So what is the common between the x square plus 10x? There is common x. So what is remain? X plus 10. Same bracket will copy in the another one also. So in the third term, x is gone inside. What is left? Minus 9. So common bracket is x plus 10 and uncommon is x minus 9 equal to 0. So x plus 10 equal to 0 and x minus 10 equal to 9 equal to 0. So plus 10 become minus 10 plus minus 9 become plus 9. The age cannot be negative, so we'll take x equal to 9. So Pragati's present age is how much? 9 years. Got it? Now we'll move to the question number 2. The sum of the square of two consecutive even natural number is 244. Find the numbers. So here what we'll take? Letter 2 consecutive even natural number is x and x plus 2. Why we have taken 2? Because it is given even natural number. So we have to take plus 2. Now the sum of square means their square will have to take x square plus x plus 2 ka whole square equal to 244. We know the formula of a plus b ka whole square. The formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. We put the formula in the x plus 2 whole square. So here we got x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 244. So 1x square plus 1x square become 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244. Because 244 was given in the right side, we will come to the left side become minus 244. So 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244 become minus 240. So what is here we have 2x square plus 4x minus 240 equal to 0. So by dividing by 2, x square plus 2x minus 120, because 2x square divided by 2, 4x divided by 2, 240 divided by 2 we get x square plus 2x minus 120. Now we'll split the minus 120 to get 2. So by splitting we get plus 12 and minus 10. What is the common between x square plus 12x? X is a common, so x plus 12 will come here. Same bracket will copy here. The third term we have minus 10x. So x will go inside, remain minus 10. Common bracket is x plus 12, uncommon bracket is x minus 10 equal to 0. So we'll solve the x plus 12 equal to 0, or we can take x minus 10 equal to 0. Plus 12 become minus 12, minus 10 become plus 10. As we know, natural number cannot be negative. So our answer is x equal to 10. Now we have to find the number. So our first two consecutive number is x and x plus 2. So x is 10 and x plus 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. So two consecutive natural number is 10 and 12. Understood? Now third one, the question is given In the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange trees. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than in each column. Find the number of trees in each row and each column with the help of following flow chart is given to you. First of all, the number of trees in the column is x. We have to assume it is given in the textbook. The number of trees in row. So number of trees in the row, what we can take? X plus 5, because it is given. The number of trees in the row is 5 more than its column. And column we have the x. So 5 more means x plus 5. Now total number of trees, how much it is given? 150. The third table we have to write 150. Now we have to frame the quadratic equation. So according to given condition, number of rows into number of column equal to 115. Row is x plus 5 and column is x. So we'll solve this bracket, x into x square plus 5 into x is 5x equal to 150. Now 150 will come to the left side, become minus 150. Minus 150 we have to split and we want plus 5. So 10 5 is 50. So 50 x will be in the positive because we have plus 5 we needed. And minus 10. Now we'll solve this one. We get what? Common is x plus 15. Uncommon is remain minus 10. Same bracket will copy. So x plus 15 equal to 0. X minus 10 equal to 0. So plus 15 become minus 15. Minus 10 become plus 10. As we know, the number of trees cannot be negative. So our answer is x equal to 10. So x, what we assume? Column. So our column is 10. And the row is given how much? X plus 5 means 10 plus 5 is 15. So number of trees in column is 10 and number of trees in the row is 15. Now, fourth one is given. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of their reciprocal of their ages is 1/6. Find the present age. So let the present age of Kishore be x. The second number we have to assume x. And number of Vivek age is 5 more than the Kishore, means x plus 5. The sum of their reciprocal. Reciprocal means what will be the reciprocal of x, student? 1/x. And reciprocal of x plus 5 is 1/x plus 5. Equal to how much? 1/6. Now we'll do the cross multiplication to the left side. X plus 5 multiplied by 1 is x plus 5. X into 1 is x. And denominator will multiply by denominator. X multiplied by x plus 5 equal to 1/6. So x become in the numerator 2x plus 5. In the denominator x into x square plus 5 into x 5x. Now cross multiplication, x6 will multiply by 2x plus 5 and 1 will multiply by x square plus 5x. Now 6 2 is 12x plus 6 5 is 30 equal to x square plus 5x. We'll arrange this. We got how much? X square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 equal to 0. X square minus 7x minus 30 is our number. We got a quadratic equation. Now we have to split minus 30 and we want minus 7. So 10 3 is 30. 10 minus 3 is 7. We want in minus 7. So we'll put this minus sign to the 10. So here we get x minus 10 equal to 0 and x plus 3 equal to 0. So minus 10 become plus 10, plus 3 become minus 3. Age cannot be negative, so x equal to 10. X we have assumed for whom? Kishore. The Kishore age will be 10 years. And Vivek age what we assume? X plus, as per the condition, x plus 5. Means 10 plus 5 became 15. The fifth one question is, Surya scored 10 marks more in second test than in the first. 5 times the score of the second test is the same as the square of the score in the first test. Find his score in the first test. So what it is given? Surya scored 10 marks more in second test than the first test. We don't know how much he scored in the first test. What will assume? X. It is told 10 marks more in second test score than the first test, means x plus 10 in the second test. Okay. Now it is given 5 times the score of the second test. Second test is whatever, x plus 10. We have to take 5 times more. Is the same as square of the first test. Square of first test. First test what we had assumed? X. To take the square of the first test. According to given condition, phi term of second test is x plus 10 equal to the square of the first test is x square. Let's solve this bracket. We'll arrange it. Now we have to split the minus 50 and we want minus 5. 10 5 is 50. We want in the minus, so we'll put the minus 10 to the 10. So here we got x minus 10 and x plus 5. So minus 10 will go become plus 10 and plus 5 become minus 5. So here we get x equal to 10 and x equal to minus 5. Marks is not in negative mention. So our marks will be what? X equal to 10. Here we have to find the score in the first test. So first test, yes, score how much? 10 marks. Therefore, so you score 10 marks in the first test. So this is the first part of practice set number 2.6. Second part will make soon and will upload in the my channel. I hope you have understood and thank you for watching this video.